Welcome back to Real Advice, the channel where we bring you honest reviews and top picks for all your tech needs. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the top 5 best gaming PCs of 2025. Whether you're into competitive esports, exploring massive open-world games, or chasing jaw-dropping 4K visuals, these gaming rigs are built to handle it all. Packed with cutting-edge hardware and futuristic designs, these PCs are redefining what it means to game at the highest level. Let's jump in and find the perfect powerhouse for your ultimate gaming experience. Number 5. STG Aubron Pre-Built Gaming PC. The STG Aubron Pre-Built Gaming PC is a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers. Equipped with 16GB of RAM, an AMD Radeon RX 554GB GDDR5, and an Intel Core i5 processor, 3.3 GHz, boostable to 3.7 GHz, it delivers decent performance for casual and light gaming. Its 512GB SSD ensures faster load times and sufficient storage for essential games and apps. While it handles popular titles like Minecraft or League of Legends well at medium settings, it may struggle with demanding AAA games at higher resolutions. The build is compact, and its sleek design fits modern setups. However, the lack of upgradability limits future-proofing. Overall, this PC is best suited for entry-level gamers or office users who need a reliable system for multitasking and casual gaming. At its price, it's a fair deal for beginners. Number 4. Soul Gaming PC Desktop. The Soul Gaming PC Desktop delivers impressive performance for gamers and multitaskers alike. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT 6-core processor, 3.6 GHz, boostable to 4.6 GHz, and AMD Radeon Vega 7 integrated graphics, it handles popular esports titles and light gaming at respectable settings. With 16GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz, and a 512GB NVMe SSD, the system ensures quick responsiveness, smooth multitasking, and fast boot times. The 550W PSU provides reliable power, while the inclusion of 11 AC Wi-Fi ensures stable wireless connectivity. Running on Windows 11 Home 64-bit, it offers a modern user experience. However, the integrated Vega 7 graphics may struggle with graphically demanding games, making it better suited for casual gamers or office users. Overall, the Soul Gaming PC is a reliable, affordable option for those seeking entry-level performance with excellent productivity potential. Number 3. STG Aubron Gaming Desktop PC. The STG Aubron Gaming Desktop PC is a powerhouse for gamers and creatives alike. Featuring 32GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, it excels in multitasking, fast load times, and ample storage for games and projects. The Intel Core i7 processor, 3.4 GHz, turbo up to 3.9 GHz, ensures smooth performance for gaming and productivity tasks. Its standout feature is the Radeon RX 5700 XT 8GB GDDR6 GPU, delivering excellent graphics performance for demanding AAA games and content creation at high settings. Connectivity options include 600M Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, offering stable and versatile connections. While it's a high-performing system, it lacks future-proofing due to its older GPU and processor. However, for those seeking a ready-to-use, powerful gaming rig, the STG Aubron Gaming PC is a great value for its price. Number 2. The iBuyPower Y60 Gaming PC. The iBuyPower Y60 Gaming PC is a premium machine designed for high-performance gaming and intensive tasks. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super 16GB GPU, it delivers top-tier performance for gaming, streaming, and content creation. It effortlessly handles 4K gaming and demanding AAA titles with ray tracing and ultra settings. The 32GB DDR5 RGB RAM, 5200 MHz, ensures lightning-fast multitasking and system responsiveness. Its striking black design and RGB lighting add a modern aesthetic to any gaming setup. The custom airflow design of the Y60 case provides excellent cooling even during extended sessions. While its premium hardware comes with a higher price tag, this system is a future-proof investment for gamers and creators who want cutting-edge performance and style in one package. Highly recommended for enthusiasts. Number 1. Skytech Gaming PC Desktop. The Skytech Gaming PC Desktop offers an excellent balance of performance and value for mid-range gamers. Powered by the Intel Core i5-13400F, 2.5 GHz, boostable for demanding tasks, and NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, it provides solid performance for modern AAA games and ray tracing at 1080p or even 1440p settings. The 16GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz, ensures smooth multitasking, and the 1TB NVMe SSD offers lightning-fast load times and ample storage for games and files. The 600W Gold PSU ensures reliable power efficiency, while 11AC Wi-Fi delivers strong wireless connectivity. The system is well suited for casual to moderate gaming and productivity tasks but may not be ideal for 4K gaming or future-proof enthusiasts. With its sleek design and capable hardware, the Skytech Gaming PC is a solid choice for gamers seeking performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching Real Advice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Got something you'd like me to review next? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, I'm here to keep it real. See you in the next one.